Hey people, D-Man here. Today I am eating three new things from Dairy Queen. Three new blizzards from Dairy Queen. Okay, so this is the names. So drumstick with peanuts, caramel drumstick with peanuts, and Reese's Pieces cookie dough. I might have had the Reese's Pieces cookie dough before. I'm not sure. I don't remember if I have or not, but if I have, there's probably a video out there of it, so let's try it again though anyways. I don't know what the drumsticks with caramel or without caramel taste like, but let's try that and see what it tastes like. So, I have no idea which one this one is, but let's try this one first, I guess. Definitely one of the drumsticks. I think that's the one without caramel. Tastes like, I guess it does taste like one of those drumstick, drumstick things you can get from the store. Drumstick ice cream. Let's try this one. I think this one's another drumstick. Okay. Very similar. I don't taste the caramel yet, but it's in there somewhere. Then this must be the Reese's Pieces, so let's try this. I think I might have had this before, to be honest, so I don't know. Give me a sec. I gotta get this off. So here it is. I feel like I've had that before. It's okay. Be right back after I'm finished.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
So, as you can see, I'm finished. And I gotta say, they were all okay. They were all fairly good. The one with caramel was definitely the best out of the, what do you call them, drumstick blizzards. The one with caramel was definitely the best. Just had an extra little flavor to it. The Reese's Pieces cookie dough, I'm almost certain I have done a review on that one before, but if I haven't, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. Would I buy it again? Meh. I'll be honest. All these compare in comparison to my favorite blizzard, which is the Smarties blizzard. But all in all, they're okay. They're nothing horrible. They're nothing too great, but they're okay. I did enjoy them, and I would recommend buying it to a friend or something like that. But I don't think I'd buy it again personally. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification. The best way to keep my channel. Link down below to my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. As always, my friends, stay sane. Peace.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, and share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.